Noise ordinance. What the fuck are they doing? You're allowed to make noise till 10 at night. It's 10:30. So nobody's screaming at them from next door. Are they out of it? What the fuck are they doing? What's happened all night? I actually had to make the camera take video of the noise. Of that noise. I don't know how the hell didn't hear it the whole time. I guess somebody's throwing their garbage out, but they're not gonna pick it up till like Thursday. They're not picking anything up till tomorrow night. Election day, they didn't pick it up. Which was Monday. They did not pick up the garbage. They still sent it. So Friday's Veterans Day. So I don't even know if they're coming on Friday to pick up all this garbage and recycles. Yeah, to recycle tomorrow too. They might not take any of it because it's Veterans Day on Friday. And the hurricane from Florida is coming. It's gonna be raining all fucking day. I had plans. I was gonna go out tomorrow. Friday. It's gonna rain on Saturday too. I ain't walking around the city in fucking rain like that. I want it to be a nice clear day. Ridiculous. Yeah, why is it quiet out here besides that guy making noise? I'm used to all the fucking cars coming by as soon as they say here. They always wear red and black. And that guy, he was taking stuff. He's a scrapper. So he's also wearing red and black. Because these people need money more than us. Trust me, we have enough money. Whatever else we don't have, God will provide it. All I rely on him for everything now. Because, he knows what he's doing. If you're not for the plans I have for you, hello. And you're not going to take his word for it. He's the only one that's consistent. Every word he says. Consistent, loving, kind, patient. He doesn't fly into a rage when he doesn't get his way. Like every other fucking person on earth does. That's why I'm not married, because I don't want to be married to somebody like that too. I don't want to trust in any person. I would like to only trust in the Lord. The Lord, the King of Kings, is the only one I should trust. There's a car backing up there beeping. This next door's car does that too. But way louder. I think he parks in the driveway slow like that to make the noise go off louder and longer. And he's definitely doing that. He's trying to get me jealous for some reason. I don't know why. That's what I'm trying to tell you. People make no fucking sense. I think he only started dating this girl because she doesn't know about witchcraft, I don't think. They go to church. So that's what I'm trying to tell you. Be careful what church you go to. There's snakes there, and witches and warlocks, pretending to be Christians. And Catholics, see? I got beefed for that. Shut up, demon. There ain't no traffic up front there, at the corner. There's no traffic at this time. Everybody's already home from school and work for hours. It's 10:30 at night. So why the fuck are you beeping? Some perp shit right there. Anyways, he looks like a perp. It could be. I would not be surprised. You know, there was a new perps walking around at night. Oh, excuse me. It's still November 9th, 2022. Guess I'm not gonna stay here too long. I gotta pee. You order food and you go to like McDonald's or Burger King, please don't order the drink. It's fucking large. And you have to pee. With water, it takes a little longer for your body to process because it's, you know, it's what your body needs. So it goes to every organ first and coats it, you know, to make the organs move and do their thing. And then within an hour, I'm gonna say, an hour, a half hour to an hour, depending on your pee schedule, then you go pee and you're flushing out all the stuff. But with soda, as soon as you start drinking it, you gotta go pee. Just to go straight to the bladder. So I don't like drinking soda. And they said they got soda. I was like, come on, man, I don't drink. Why you order food like that? I always drink water. I have this container. It's called Takia. It's 24 ounces of water. I drink that shit all day. I'm constantly refilling it because I need to drink water. I never drank so much water in my life. Especially at dinner time, I have to drink water, at least 2 glasses. So it's like, what, 8, yeah, it's like 2 8-ounce glasses. So, if anybody gets mad at me for that, they go fuck themselves, because we all need water. You hear my throat's dry, I'm drinking soda. When I go in the house, I'm gonna go pee again, and then I'm gonna drink water. Because water is life. What happened? That's all the perps right now? Only 2 or 3? Usually there's more. Usually. There's way more of that. Speeding down the block, honking the horns. Or stopping and then speeding, or driving up to my house really slow and then hitting the brakes and almost killing their car and then driving off really fast. And they're skidding too. You do that. That's what they usually do. And then somebody somewhere will beep their horn 5,000 times while locking their car door. Just, you know, to piss me off. I'm sure they laugh at themselves because they think it's funny. I think it's funny too. I think it's funny that they think it's funny. It's entertaining to me. I don't know about you. Yeah. So I realize the rotation of these perps, man, it's usually a whole year. Because in the summertime, there's that one dude who always wore jeans in 90-degree weather. It was him first, then Booty Bandit, the one that lives across the street from me. And then like they went back and forth, the 2 of them. And now the guy with the feathers, that's the new guy. And the other guy with the chain, the Masonic chain. So, I mean, Druggy Smurf's always gonna do it too. He just walks around like 5,000 times a day, going back and forth to the store. He doesn't like to be home, I guess, so he has to run out every 5 minutes. Now when somebody's doing that, they're addicted. That's an addictive behavior. And you can't really sit still. Like, I'm having trouble sitting still because I gotta pee. But I try to sit still as much as possible. But I really can't sit still either. I'm not addicted to anything, but I like to, like, you know, try to get circulation going in my legs. Nice cough there. And red jacket perp. Or maybe if you don't smoke weed or cigarettes or vape, you wouldn't have it. You would be able to breathe through your lungs. I got asthma from everybody smoking around me. Back in the 80s, everybody smoked and smoked and smoked in the house. You know, nobody ever went outside to smoke. For some reason, I was the only one that caught smoke and got asthma from it. It was great. Not. So my asthma hasn't bothered me in a long time. With these fuckers next door, both sides, they smoke in the house. And they smoke in the garage mostly. When they're home. So when I go in the garage, it fucking smells like smoke. And the house, she smokes weed too, so no, it smells that too. Excuse me. The other asshole over there comes outside to smoke in the backyard in the morning. So in the morning, when I open the window to get fresh air, I don't smell fresh air, I smell smoke. Because he has to sit right by the door to smoke. Right to my window. Ain't he special? Oh, the moon looks pretty. There's a couple stars out too. They're planets. I think one of them might be Jupiter or Venus. I don't remember which one. Oh, look at that. That's funky looking. But yeah, I forgot which one. I have a picture somewhere. It was 3 dots and a line in the sky. Oh, right there, look. Look at the dots in the sky. I can't really see it. Hold on. Oh. Anyway, there's 3 dots in the sky. Like they're connected to each other. So weird. I could see it with my naked eye. We used to have the Little Dipper on the roof. That was cool because that was clear as day. That was cool. And one night, when I came out here to sit, and saw the 3 planets over there aligned, and with the moon was right next to it, and I took a picture of it. I came out pretty good with this camera. I was shocked. I have a digital camera somewhere that takes really good pictures. Like I could zoom in really close and just focus and then just take a picture. I used to get really good pictures of the moon and the well, see that? Yeah, I used to get pictures of the moon and the sun. And the planets too, I have a couple of those. I used to hang out here all the time in the summer and just take pictures of clouds, like all these, cool shapes, before they started spraying. I think they started spraying in other boroughs before here. So there was like a whole year I have pictures of the clouds that were like all kinds of shapes, so all different animals and everything. And then I caught a couple of demons and a goblin and a skeleton. I'm like, yeah, no, that's not witchcraft at all. These people that spray that stuff in the air, they do incantations as they're spraying. So I have those pictures. I did post a video. It was one big ass demon, a goblin with pointy ears, and then the other one was, or next was a dragon. Yeah, I catch them. I'm glad I catch them though. You ain't fooling me. And I think I did share the video of the skeleton, the whole skeleton. That was creepy. I have a picture of a cloud behind the house, towards the back, of a gorilla. And right after Harambe died, the actual cloud looked like him. I was like, what? Took a picture of that. That was cool. I gotta get a picture of the sunset one day. Oh my god, it's beautiful. The sunset I don't know if anybody lives near me, but Caesar's Bay. The sunset over there was gorgeous. OMG. It was dark blue, a dark orange, dark green, and like a dark yellow on a crescent moon. It was so pretty. But we saw it as we were turning into the parking lot, so there was no way to take a picture of it. It was like gorgeous though. I want to take a picture of it one day. Maybe I'll go there one day. Just go in that area. That place used to be cool. They have Kohl's there now, but they used to have Toys R Us used to be there, and there was a thing called Caesar's Bay Bazaar. So where Kohl's is, it used to be all different kinds of kiosks, all like clothes and jewelry, and it was like a flea market kind of. So they had toys and they had whole stuff you could buy off of people. I bought some pretty cool stuff there. I think I still have those things. I think so. The one, I don't have it anymore. I wish I would have kept it. But I had the Flintstones dressed like the Miami Dolphins. That was one of my favorite shirts. I wish I would have kept it. Even if I didn't wear it, keeping it would have been cool. And then I bought this keychain. And it wasn't a key ring. It was like you clip it on to a key ring. And it had Backstreet Boys on it. Yeah, I had a lot. I had so much Backstreet Boys memorabilia. Oh, Lord, so much. I had no place to put that shit, so I put it on eBay. I put that on eBay. All the stuff I collected over the years. Plus that keychain. Some of the CDs I don't listen to anymore. What else? Oh, I had scrapbook stuff, like posters and stuff like that. It was a nice big bulky box. And it was cheap to send it too because it wasn't too far from me. So I was like, alright. That was good. That sold quick. You see the flashing? I don't think that's not supposed to rain till Friday, so it can't be thunder and lightning. I think it's police. We'll see. There's a lot of flashing I see. Anyways, yeah, so I had all that stuff. Like I made up, personal scrapbooks with the groups that I liked. So those I'm continuing to work on. I'm not gonna sell those. I only kept one boy band stuff. Yeah. I felt a little weird selling some of that stuff, but I'm trying to learn to live with less, And now, since I went to the concert, I got a t-shirt and a tote bag, so, something. I took pictures that day, video. Just had those memories. That was a nice memory. That was a good day. He looked like, what's the actor's name? It was an actor, it was a little wimpy guy. What the hell movie was it? But Out of Paddle, I think it was called. Anyways, he liked his French toast. And then the waiters did something nasty to the French toast. Oh my gosh, it was gross. That's why when you're in a restaurant and you want to order something, don't be difficult. Like when I say, like if I want to order like say, I want an egg and cheese omelet, I would say, keep everything the way it is and I'll just pick it out. I'll pick it out myself, like if I don't like something. Or I switch, like if it's a side dish that comes with it and I don't like it, I'll switch it to something else. So I don't try not to be too difficult. Like the Whopper I had tonight, I was like, just leave everything in it, I'll just take it out. I don't trust these people. I don't know what this flashing was just now. I'm afraid to look. Not afraid to look, but like I keep seeing it. Like there's a car. If you see the light, there's a car there somewhere. anyway. That guy looked like that actor. I can't think of his name though. He did a couple movies back then in the 90s. Skinny white boy. I used to know everybody's names back then, but I don't know them. Let me show you something I see right now. There's a reflection of this truck here. And it looks like... Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. See? That's a perp. And they slam on the brakes like that, the gas. There they come. I'm just gonna say, where the fuck are they? They wanna be nosy, right? So there's a reflection right now. And I think it's from the moon and the car light that you see on the ground. See the ground? That's a car that's parked over there somewhere. And I could have sworn I heard like a radio go off, like a cop radio. So I'll check before I leave, go back in the house. But my backyard did this kind of symbol, the same thing on the wall I showed you in a video. Then there wasn't really anything reflecting off of it. And my garage door had the same thing. I took pictures. I don't know if I did the garage door video. I took a picture of it. And this car right here is parked. It's the same symbol. See the symbol? Don't know what that is. It's like a whirlpool or something, but it's a snake or an X or something. Sometimes, now when I heard about that kind of stuff, is when witches and warlocks come into a neighborhood and do stuff, like their rituals. Sometimes you see that kind of stuff on a license plate or a car or a wall. And it couldn't be the car behind this car. Their light is shining into the mirror of this car and making that. And now the moon is bright too, so it could be all three of those things. I'm just trying to warn you that that's what it could be. Oh, I gotta pee. Yeah. Let's see. This person's sitting there. And I could have sworn I heard like a cop radio. Like somebody was talking on the cop radio. I don't see it now. I saw some flashes, like a cop car flash. It could still be that car. You know? I'm thinking perps. Some of them have those flashes on their car, like the police have. So when they follow TIs, they can just park wherever the hell they want and put those lights on just to scare us, you know? I'm gonna look it up because I know other people on YouTube have experienced it. But that's what I'm thinking. I saw the flash a couple times, like a police car flash, you know, the sign of the lights. And then I heard a radio, like a police radio. And you know, unfortunately, but there's a way you could tell. Let's see. Like, I'm starting to think that was an undercover cop. That's all I'm trying to get at. Like, they have people surveilling neighborhoods like that.
Tell me, big. Tell me. I want to hear. Let me hear. Let me hear one of the problems.
What the fuck? And then that guy just showed up when I said that. Yeah, something's fishy up in here. So, but I think that's what that is. I think that was like an undercover cop or something, or a detective. You know, they wear plainclothes officers. I watch a lot of Chicago Fire PD and all that. But that's what they do in those shows, you know, they telling on themselves, really. They really are. They're telling on themselves. And when they do a stakeout, too, they dress like regular people. And, like, if you want to rob a store, they find out, and then they wait there for them and arrest you. That's what happened on this other show. Blue Bloods. So they're basically telling on themselves. I'm saying there's a lot of handlers out there with perps. You gotta watch out.